Hurricane warning. For the following, coastal waters from Flagler Beach to the Volusia-Brevard County line out to 20 nautical miles, waters from Flagler Beach to the Volusia-Brevard County line extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles, coastal waters from the Volusia-Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet out to 20 nautical miles, waters from the Volusia-Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles, coastal waters from Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet out to 20 nautical miles, and waters from Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Hurricane warning remains in effect. What? Northeast winds 40 to 60 knots, with gusts up to 85 knots, and seas 15 to 20 feet. Where? Portions of Atlantic coastal waters. When? Tropical storm force winds possible from Wednesday evening until Thursday evening. Hurricane force winds possible from early Thursday morning until Thursday afternoon. Impacts: hurricane force winds and hazardous seas will capsize or damage vessels and severely reduce visibility. Mariners should remain in port, alter course, and slash or secure the vessel for extreme conditions. Hurricane warning. A hurricane warning remains in effect for the following counties: in Florida, coastal Indian River, coastal St. Lucie, inland Indian River, inland northern Brevard, inland southern Brevard, inland St. Lucie. Inland Volusia, mainland northern Brevard, mainland southern Brevard, northern Lake, Okeechobee, Orange, Osceola, Seminole, and southern Lake. Storm surge warning. A storm surge warning remains in effect and a hurricane warning remains in effect for the following counties: in Florida, coastal Volusia, northern Brevard Barrier Islands and southern Brevard Barrier Islands. The latest tropical cyclone advisory: at 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the center of Hurricane Milton was located near latitude 26.3 north, longitude 84.0 west. Milton is moving toward the north-northeast near 16 miles per hour. A turn toward the northeast with a decrease in forward speed is expected this evening and tonight. A turn toward the east-northeast and east is expected on Thursday and Friday. On the forecast track, the center of Milton will make landfall along the west-central coast of Florida tonight, cross the Florida Peninsula overnight and early Thursday, and move off the east coast of Florida over the western Atlantic Ocean on Thursday. Maximum sustained winds are near 130 miles per hour with higher gusts. Milton is a Category 4 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. Milton is expected to remain an extremely dangerous major hurricane when it reaches the west-central coast of Florida tonight, and remain at hurricane strength while it moves across the Florida Peninsula through Thursday. Gradual weakening is forecast while Milton moves eastward over the western Atlantic, and it is likely to become an extratropical storm by early Friday. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 35 miles from the center and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 250 miles, especially to the north. A NOAA drone South Dakota -1083 located about 50 miles east of the center recently reported a sustained wind of 52 miles per hour and a wind gust of 70 miles per hour. The minimum central pressure based on Air Force Reserve Hurricane Hunter data is 944 millibars 27.88 inches. Serving Orlando and vicinity, this is NOAA weather radio station KIH 63, the voice of the National Weather Service. This broadcast comes to you from the National Weather Service office in Melbourne, Florida, on a frequency of 162.475 MHz.